Have you ever come across a creature that is as long as a six-story building and weighs as much as a hatchback? Chances are that you've probably not, unless you're 47 million years old. That's right, I'm talking about the great discovery of Vasuki indicus by researchers from IIT Roorkee, India. Researchers have reported the discovery of fossils from a massive ancient snake that could have been bigger than a bus. Fossils and fossil comparisons have revealed the characteristics of this huge creature, which is estimated to have weighed as much as 1000 kilograms and been from 11 meters to 15 meters long. Now that we're done with the size statistics, you must be wondering why would it be named Vasuki indicus. This ancient snake has been named Vasuki indicus from the mythical snake king Vasuki, who wraps around the neck of Hindu deity Shiva, whose worshippers belong to the country of his discovery, and indicus is Latin for India. This creature is so huge that, to put it in perspective, some of the longest snakes that can now be found in India, like the reticulated python, can commonly reach lengths of about 6 meters, and the king cobra, which can be over 5.6 meters long, both of which pale in comparison to Vasuki indicus. It is estimated that Vasuki lived about 47 million years ago in western India, which was full of swampy tropical forests at that time. The researchers are not sure exactly how the snake moved around and what it ate, but because of its huge size, it was probably a slow moving ambush predator that would use constriction to take down its prey. This would make its movement and behavior somewhat comparable to modern snakes like anacondas and large pythons. Another giant snake that lived long ago in what is now Colombia is known as Titanoboa and probably lived about 60 million years ago. Both of these massive snakes lived during a time when the planet was exceptionally warm. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Tune in the next time for more fun facts. If you learned something new today, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video.